Good morning everyone and welcome to the Q&A session 19 from the chapter of motion in a straight line. The topic is the calculation of the separation between the two swimmers on a river bank. So based on this topic I have framed one question which is written here on this board. So here there is a river and the width of this river is 1 kilometer. The river is flowing at the rate of 4 meter per second from west to east. So this is the west, this is the east. So this is going to be the north and this is going to be the south. So the velocity of the river, which is VR in this case, is equal to 4 meter per second. Now two men start from the point A on one bank of the river at the same time. So one of the men swim at the rate of 4 meter per second perpendicular to the bank. That is, one of the man swims in this direction, and this velocity of the man, this is the velocity of the man in still water. So one man swims from this point A perpendicular to this river bank, and the other man swims at an angle of 60 degrees with the river bank at the rate of 8 meter per second. So here there is one more man who swims at an angle of 60 degrees like this. So this is also the velocity of the man in still water, and this is at the rate of 8 meter per second, but this angle is 60 degrees. So we have to find the separation between the two men when they reach the other side of the river or on the other bank of the river. So let us first of all take the first case. In the first case, the man is swimming at the rate of 4 meter per second perpendicular to the bank like this. So let us say this is the point B here, which is exactly opposite this point A on the other side of the river. So but the river here is flowing in this direction, which is equal to 4 meter. Let us say this is VR, and this is the velocity of the man in still water. So because of this flow of this river, the resultant velocity of the man with respect to the river, velocity of the man with respect to the river will be in this direction. That is, let us say this is the point C. So the resultant velocity of this man will be along the vector AC. So Vm is equal to 4 meter per second. VR is also equal to 4 meter per second. So this angle, now this is the vector triangle, ABC is a vector triangle. So this angle, that is angle BAC. Let us say this is theta. So tan theta will be equal to BC upon AB. So BC is equal to, in this vector triangle, BC is equal to, this is equal to 4 meter per second. Means this is basically the velocity vector of the river, and AB is the velocity vector of the man in still water. So which is equal to 4 upon 4. So this is equal to 1. So theta will be equal to 45 degree. So this man will ultimately reach this point C, which and the angle between this velocity vector and this this velocity vector AC will be equal to 45 degree. So we have to simply now find the distance BC. Now here, if theta is equal to 45 degree, this is AB is equal to 1 kilometer. So from this vector triangle, tan 45 will also be equal to BC upon AB. So it means that BC will be equal to 1 kilometer. So this man will reach this point C, which will be at a distance of 1 kilometer from B. Now let us take the second case. The second man swims at an angle of 60 degree with the river bank at the rate of 8 meter per second. So he swims in this direction. So the velocity component along the river bank will be equal to This is 8 meter per second based upon hypotenuse. So let us say this velocity of the man along this river bank. I'm just denoting this as let us say river bank. Bank means VB. So VB base, that is VB upon this V, the velocity of the man in still water. This is equal to cos 60, and cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So VB will be equal to, that is the horizontal component of this velocity will be equal to 4 meter per second, and the velocity of the river in this direction is also equal to 4 meter per second. So these two will cancel out each other. Now let us find the vertical component, this one. Now the vertical component, let us say this is VC. So VC upon 8. This is equal to sin 60. So the sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So VC will be equal to 4 root 3 meter per second. Or in other words, we can say that since the horizontal component are getting cancelled out, so this man will be moving towards this bank under the influence of this vertical component only. So this man will be reaching this point B, because this horizontal components are getting cancelled out and this man is only moving or swimming across this river under the influence of this vertical component. So this man will reach the point B. So the separation between the two swimmers will be equal to, means one of the swimmer is reaching the point C, that is the first swimmer has reached the point C, which was at a distance of 1 kilometer from B, and the other swimmer has reached the point B. So the separation between them will be equal to 1 kilometer. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be coming up with another different type of a question, but the topic will remain same, that is the relative motion between two objects. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.